This is the morning gardening, and just put some more plants. Just put some more plants in, and they're doing quite well. Cantaloupe. Um, what is this right here? Cucumber, and then you got a whole bunch of plants here. Peppers. This is the new tray set up here to take on the next ones that's coming in, because a lot of my seeds that I started in these bags here, they're every morning I'm seeing 1 and 2 and 3 that are ready. So I got to have another tray here to start them out in. That's my fertilizer. It stinks like all out hell, but it works. This has got pretty much my whole garden in this one tray. But I have a number of other seeds that's getting ready to go in there. This one's a little dry. I'm gonna water that before I go up, get some rest. And then you have these plants in here. This right there. There's one green one there, one green one there, and I just want you to see what I'm doing. It's at night. I got my light in here. I have some tomatoes in here, and they're doing good. The ones on the right are the brandy wine, and the smaller ones are the purple Cherokee. That's it. And you just keep them right under that light. I keep about an inch away from that light. Excuse me. Put that dome over it. I need another dome like this one. I need another dome, so I think I might start shopping online for one. Because this one here will need one. I have a shorter dome that goes on there like this. And people say, well, how are you using the trays that cover as bottom and top? That's just stuff I do, folks. That's just stuff I do. That's it. That's just stuff I do. And these are special cups that I made. Got holes all in them everywhere, so that I can air prune my roots. Everybody do it different. I do mine my way. And these are covered. And this tray is warm, so the plants that haven't quite germinated yet, that are in here, they get that warmth and they'll start germinating. So here, this one here is not plugged up because don't need it right at this moment. And no point in wasting fertilizer. Electric. The spoon is a measuring tool. That's a teaspoon. And I'm all set. Down here in the bottom is my light, $26. Didn't cost much to do that. I've had it for over 3 years now. Does a beautiful job. I got a timer on it. Runs about 15 hours a day, and it cuts off. So folks, I hope you like what I got, and hope you try to do your own. The regular milk containers hold my plant food. That way I can make some up before I even get low. So there we are. This is the morning gardener, folks.